I got a STIHL SH86C blower vacuum combo that just does this. You'll see that there's two pieces of plastic called pawls that fly out when you pull the starter and then fly back in when you let it go. These little guys right here. See how this moves back and forth? Well, on the case of mine, this pawl is missing. So what we're going to do is replace these starter pawls. Let's put this back onto the blower and we will see if the fixes it. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how you replace the starter pawls in a STIHL blower. This is the SH86C. Just take your time, make sure that there's no friction binding up in that recoil where the pawls are, and you will be good to go. These are also easy start blowers, so don't go ripping on them as hard as you can to get them to start. Kind of get them to engage first and then pull. And I think that's how I broke it the first time, because I was used to my old Echo. This thing's way better. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll get you in the next video.